Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add multiple bookmarks in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file. Now click on this side panel bar and here you will find this bookmark option. Click here and see this PDF file has no bookmarks and I'll make this page bookmark. Simply display your page and click right button from your mouse. You can add bookmark. Also simply click on this plus bookmark option. This bookmark title not showing here. Type your page name part 1 and okay and go in here and click on this bookmark and see this bookmark now working. Also I will bookmark this image. Simply click on this image and click right button and select add bookmark. Select image, okay, and go in here and click on this image and see this image now bookmark. Also I'll bookmark this text. Click on the selection option and select your text and select add bookmark or click right button on your mouse, add bookmark and select here this text showing here. You can change this text name or you can add new title name. Text and see this. Now go in here and click on this bookmark and see this. In this way you can add as many as bookmarks you want and finally select this file option. Save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.